Number 5, I'm not going to set the denominator equal to u because it's just x. And we're not going to set the x minus 3 equal to u because that's not going to help us any. Because if u was x minus 3, du would just be dx. We'd be left with an x down here that we couldn't change in terms of u. So what we're going to do here is multiply this out. Use FOIL to distribute. We get the antiderivative of x squared minus 6x plus 9 all over x. So this is one we saw before when we started doing antiderivatives, similar problems like this. And then we could split this up. Right? Each one of these terms is being divided by x. So what I'm going to do is divide each thing by x. Some people like to rewrite it as x to the negative 1 on top and distribute it through, but I just think of it as dividing each one of these. So first we get x squared divided by x, which is just x. Negative 6x divided by x is just negative 6. This last one doesn't come out as nice. We end up with just 9 over x. Well, the first two, now that we've written it like that, we can do the antiderivative of those pretty easily. Here, we're adding 1 to the exponent, so we get x squared, and then dividing by that new exponent, or multiplying by its reciprocal, we get 1/2 x squared, minus antiderivative of 6 is 6x. Now this last one, I'm going to put the 9 out in front, and still have the antiderivative of 1 over x dx. Right, so you may be able to see it a little bit better now when we take that constant out. We just end up with 1 over x dx, so we know the antiderivative of that now. And that's just going to be natural log of absolute value of x. We need to remember to put the plus c at the end of the whole thing. So